Hello, let's see how we can create video like this. Let's go to Canva homepage, click video and landscape video. Now let's go to left side menu, apps, and search for map video, this one app. First time you need to click open. Now we can select video duration. For example, I'm choosing 10 seconds. Next, we can choose plain icon type. I'm choosing this one. Now we can select country. I'm choosing United States of America, and country second. This is destination country. Let it be New Zealand. And now we can add flag fill and add text. I'm choosing this both and click create video. We need to wait a few seconds. Now we see our video. We can click add to design. We can make it bigger. Now we see that duration is only 5 seconds, but we created 10 seconds. You can go to the end and just drag. If it doesn't work, then click the video and go to scissors, and here click done on the right side. And now we see our video is 10 seconds. We can click here and see our video, or we can go to preview window, and here we see all our video. Now we want to download it to our computer. At first, we can enter the name. Let it be travelmap. Now we can go to share button, click download, choose file type MP4, and click download. And the video you will find in your downloads folder. And let's see our result. Here you go. We fly from United States to New Zealand. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe my channel. And see you next time.